Great opportunity for investor that can't buy this commercial lot. Zone C3 on one of Fountain Hill's main roads with a well-established business tenant in place or buy it vacant. The property is 16,491 square feet with over 100 feet of frontage, close to Highway 87 and Shea Boulevard and only 30 minutes to Sky Harbor Airport. Fountain Hills is adjacent to the city of Scottsdale.